It's another boy.
It's not clear yet.
Are you gonna have another brother?
It's all gold. So who is it?
The answer is in the box. Okay.
God, I can't wait. What's there? Is it a girl?
It's another box.
One more box. But look, it is right in there.
Okay, come on.
Come.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
It's
Baby.
It's a girl. No. Great day.
Thank you. Okay, it's
It's
a boy.
boy. Or
Girl. Okay.
5,
4,
3,
2,
1.
0. It's the
best cake. Eat it with no hands, and you will find out. Okay, boys, you're gonna love this part.
Put this onto stay clean.
Okay.
And so you
Yeah.
don't use your hand, okay?
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay.
You don't use your hand.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
let's go!
Do you want? What do you like? Honey, do you find something? I don't get it.
Tasty, but it's all white. Boys, did you eat the answer?
Still don't see the answer. You've been wearing it the whole time. Mike,
Yeah?
turn around, please. Congrats! Were you here? You get a sister?
Honey, I love you.
Yes! Please.
Yep.